The Faculty of Business, Economics and Law comprises two professional schools, the AUT Law School and the AUT Business School. We offer a full suite of academic programs from pre-degree through bachelor's, master's, both professional master's pre-experience and MBA, and research master's, as well as a PhD program. Our students are supported in their learning through good pastoral care and through our Careers and Employability Hub. We want our graduates to care, question and act. We're business focused, but we're also interested in a business having a positive social impact. This video gives more detail on what we have to offer. We hope to see you soon at AUT.
What I really enjoy about living in Auckland is the beaches around, as well as the nightlife.
Everything is really close by, so within a 20-minute drive I can be on the beach on my kayak or hiking.
In my opinion, Auckland is a safe place. The city is beautiful with pleasant weather, and it offers an easy access to nature and outdoor activities, which I love.
I love Auckland because of the culture and the cuisines. It's a very diverse place and everyone will find something they enjoy.
The law degree at AUT, one of the things that we do well here is that we work with other faculties and other departments. So there's lots of interdisciplinary research and teaching done at AUT. We've got a good group of academics from a variety of different jurisdictions originally. They take a variety of perspectives in the law because law is all about taking different perspectives to come up with the right conclusion. One of the other things that we do that's different at AUT is we encourage internships, including giving students the possibility of getting credit towards their degree for an internship. We also encourage students to go off and work and get some real-life experience. So a good number of our students will intern or work whilst they're going through their degree for lawyers. The law school here at AUT is comprised of about 25 academics and a number of adjunct professors who come in from practice and teach dedicated courses for us. So some of our academics are full-time academics, others are part-time academics and part-time practitioners who bring obviously their knowledge about how the law operates and their teaching of law, and they combine that.
I chose AUT Faculty of Business, Economics and Law because of the diversity this university offers. Everyone here is accepted and welcomed, and I think that's the most beautiful thing a university can offer. In law, we have to read a lot of cases, and these cases are very challenging, but when I do accomplish them, it's the greatest feeling in the world.
Student experience here at AUT is very different from anywhere else that I've experienced before. Especially the culture here, the vibe, everyone is very friendly, everyone's outgoing. I'm loving it right now.
I had a very unique students experience. I've met many different students from very diverse backgrounds.
With students from many different countries, I got a chance to interact and learn from my classmates. We work together, share food, and have a lot of fun.
When I first got here, I was extremely homesick. By talking to the people here, I felt like I was not alone anymore and that everything was going to be okay.
My professors are very approachable and friendly. They encourage us to ask questions and come to them if we get stuck with our assignments.
The AUT staff here, they're always on their toes to help any student out in any possible way. And at the end of the day, they make me feel safe here and gives me assurance that I can reach my goals.